Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Secure Folder on a Samsung phone. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and open More Security Settings. From there, tap on Secure Folder and sign in with your Samsung account. Next, choose a lock type like a PIN, pattern, or password to protect your secure folder. Once that is set, you can easily access it from your quick panel. Just tap and hold the secure folder icon in the control center to open it. Now, you can start adding private apps, photos, and files. You can also move your existing data into it for better privacy and security control. Everything inside the secure folder stays encrypted and hidden from normal device access. So, that is basically how you can use Secure Folder on Samsung. And that's it for this video. Thanks.